Let's talk about cybersecurity. What is it, why is it important, and how you can get started in this field. All of that and more in 2 minutes. Start the timer. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, mobile devices, electronic devices, networks, and data from malicious attacks commonly done by black hat hackers. Black hat hackers fall into one of three main types of hackers in the modern era. These types of hackers are the reason that when you were 8 years old, your mom didn't want you to play around with her computer because you might do something dumb on accident, and she was probably right.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
These aren't the only type of hackers though. We also do have white and gray hat hackers. White hat hackers being the ethical hackers, and gray hat hackers being the undecided sibling who doesn't know if he wants to join the dark side just yet. There are a couple more different types of hackers, but these three that I mentioned are widely considered the standard. These malicious attacks commonly get performed using malware, aka malicious software. Malware is not a one-size-fits-all. There are multiple different types of attacks that can be performed, including but not limited to viruses, trojans, spyware, ransomware, malvertising, and so on. And to ensure that you don't sleep well tonight, malware is only one of many different cyber threats. You're welcome. You can start to see why cybersecurity experts are extremely in demand and are often considered digital superheroes. Cybersecurity experts are responsible for security systems development, testing, analysis, and implementation. They typically work with the IT teams in the organization in order to protect the data and integrity of the company, which is why companies will pay the big bucks to land cybersecurity experts. If you would like to become a modern-day hero and learn to stop any attack that comes your way, check out Zero to Mastery Cybersecurity Bootcamp, where you'll go from victim to protector.